Hear me, I said, man, I kill Marvelous I represent for plums out. I'm like when a girl them put on them clothes and them comes out. So here one is an online store, so you can get everything for women and more.
Hey ladies! Yeah, you don't know, say a double X aka Flex amount of TOK, and me I say, yo ladies, when you need to follow and shop at plums_out for the trendiest pieces this summer, you see me I say, and them affordable, so you need to check them out, you see it?
You are going to people from City Face and University, you know, Shokobus and I represent. You are going to, I like the girl in the junk clothes, you know. I like the girl in the old brook, I like the girl in the puppy, you know. See? Hey, check out about story, plums out. See? By Goody Plum. You are going to the good clothes, them. See? You are going to pay. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Reasonable price. Because some of the girl come like, now we're nothing good until no man buy something good enough. See? Reasonable price, people. Check them out on Instagram. See? Plums out. Goody Plum. Shokobus to represent.
Dog face. Dog face.
Seems like I'm deaf. It's a dog face. And the crux that show me free. Dog face a program the boy.
Yo, me know say that boy did have a link over there, you know. Me know you out. So more know, brother. What kind of business you have with him?
Hey, because I see man come link you one night.
Brother, it's a program me I run for the China boy. See me? But you know, I am supposed to make the pick up them. You see? So my lad, how you reach this, brother?
That more I know to bro. I can understand the weed runnings, you know. But extortion that?
Yo fam, them presence in the community are shut down. Enough of them little small shot them. And them not even having no job to the youth them. You see me? Brother, that nah go work. The ends justify the means, Dada. Miss Green get a piece of food for the surgery for her son. Pat can pay for 1 month of dialysis for her mother. And 3 school fees take care out of them. You see, if them not gonna help with some jobs, them have to go pay for some security.
So all of that are from for them money?
Yes, I.
Risky business that in a shop boss.
Here I go. So you go about your business, I know my business that. But that you they make my friend have a cut and nearly make me murder you. Plus, me don't know what going on with him. Me don't know if him dead or alive, and me don't know where him dead. Now keep me ears to the ground. I'm gonna know what going on with me here. You see me? But you know if him still alive, we have to go fix things.
If that boy they brave enough to move to Pink Bass, that mean he will move to Dada too. The boy know the link.
You say a word, the boy violate the link. Me know the code. And the code is life.
That is it. So Dada, what the other?
Search, find, and destroy.
So why I can't see him and today I visit him there?
Lady, we have an argument with you today. You not get no visit today. We're seeing a sleeveless.
Nice water. Just please, don't go see me, just want me to say I'm alright. If I just 5 minutes.
So what you have to do for me?
Well, I have 2 grand, can't squeeze you.
I know that more you squeeze. There's something more if you squeeze. And if I saw it, you get an hour with him.
You brighty? The stinking, dirty, long time ugly man. Face, if I tell you what, if you go squeeze and see them lock me up down here. Bright.
Well, you know you can't come back there and come visit him.
But must find a way for report you, remember I tell you.
Report me? Me go report you for verbal assault.
I'm going to tell them say you want people to feel it up so the prisoner them can get visit.
What you prove?
Well, you're proof to talk about me verbally abuse you. You brighty? The stinking, dirty, long time ugly man.
Yeah, I say no.
Face, if I tell you what, to go squeeze and see them lock me up down here. Bright.
Yes, yes, what I'm saying.
Doctor, them say I'm still critical.
Oh. Alright. Of course, I'm going to give blood though.
Until we know in a land though. You go give blood though.
Yeah, man, I'll give blood. Of course.
Hello. Look here. You owe me, you know. You owe me a favor. I need a favor they like right now.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I'm a nephew, you know, so.
God. Can't manage. 2 days now, I'm not sleeping.
Alright, sis. Go and get some, alright? Talk to you.
Alright, bro. Later.
Spare. You know, say you have to go kill one of them the other day, you know. One of them have to dead for this.
No. Remember, you and them have business, you know. A bones called on this for himself.
Yeah, but him still a family. Blood thicker than water.
Pink boss just do what any man would have do if a man running at them house.
That no matter. Family first. Family must be protected at all costs. Make an example out of the boy them.
Speng, load that.
Make an example.
Just load that.
No, Miss Goody, father still not here. Him supposed to come? Oh, see me. Alright, Miss Goody.
Yo, today.
I'm Melita today, father still.
You know, easy though. I'm supposed to do a tour of the studio with some guests, and we tried?
Oh, the couple that got married and the family? You know them going down by Willis to get something to eat?
Ah, alright then. Alright, now go in the studio. So
Alright.
don't come just.
Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah.
Hey, I just want to say thank you for the kind gesture, and I hope you take me up on my offer. Okay, bye. Morning.
I'm really sorry about last night, sweetheart.
Okay.
I really wanted to do the cut. Sorry. I really wanted to do the wine thing and, cuddle and spend a nice evening with you. I was just very tired, Michelle.
Because you took your work home with you. 45 minutes you were on the phone talking with your political colleagues.
Trust me, Michelle. It was very important.
Always is. That's your excuse for bringing home your work.
Listen, sweetheart. I am going to make an effort to spend quality time with you. All right? I promise. And what are those dates for, Michelle?
Those are the dates that you set. Made a promise to. But it's okay. It's me, right? Don't need to worry about me. I'm good.
What are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be at the office?
My lady. Today, I'm going to start to make it right. I have this. Thank you. Turn around. Come on, sweetie, come on. I know you're upset. I'm sorry. Don't be mad all the time. All right? Okay. You know I love that shit. Yes. What do you mean, walk out of the hospital? So you're trying to tell me that a patient with monkeypox decide that him not staying in the hospital anymore and want to go home go see him daughter? And what did you do? Doctor, stop. You want to repeat that garbage or that story that you just tell yourself a while ago? That story cannot go public. Listen to me. I don't care. Tell the media, say, him escape. Him jump through the window. But you cannot go to the media with that foolishness. What? Deal with it. I'm sorry, man. I really am. It's only what I want. Yes, Karen.
What going to spend? So what kind of surprise visit is?
All I'm checking out. Got a reason with it.
Yeah, man.
Off here.
How far?
So we been boss there.
You know, same kind of talking still. You know them things that go more wild, isn't it?
Yeah, man. I know them way them, man.
What time I have to talk in? So I have to do it one time, you see?
So Speng, what a visit you about?
Well, boxing match was a good look, you know. You know what I mean? It really helped in the community development process, in which we aim for in the beginning, so the plan work.
Well, you don't know me. That I want me preach every day. Community development. You get to me and say.
Good. But just want you know, say, any future projects where I work on, you have my full support. 100%.
Definitely.
Dada, more you know this straight up. We rate the work of the man that I put in. Not negotiate that, you see?
How was that, man?
Yeah, man. That's why you know, say, we are human being and more time. We have some things coming, we want to shake up the balance. But we have to stay strong and hold it up like a real G, you see, pretty? We can't make nobody or nothing make a bad decision. You understand what I say?
Brother, kind of lost, you know, I don't know where you bring this thing. I just get to the point of them.
So, Dada, you know, so I have a look on every door. Him get shut up one day, you know. They are hospital in a critical condition. End up a shoot a one girl too. I always say the man, then I community I extort people, you see. But I'm a sister one boy, you know. Sometimes man have to learn the hard way, my general, you understand? Dada, I never come here today to spill my blood or to get my blood spilled.
So where you come here for?
The day I have to ask you a passing you. If him live, I don't want to touch him.
So you expect me to make him live after the boy the try off my friend, and on top of that me just a find out of your family?
But Dada, you know, sir, if I never mutual respect between me and the man them, we'll pull up different. See, Perry, give him a pass. There will be no retaliation with you. A peace more, brother.
Speng, your nephew, make my friend have to run away. Him put a shot in on my friend, woman foot. You get to me and say, I'm on top of that, the boy come and start man community. I come and tell me about the impasse.
Me know it's a tall order. But you have to understand, and you know this. A family.
I give him a pass, you know. But it's when him come out of the hospital, now make him come back. Now, boy, yes, sir. Me not even want to sight him in our community.
Respect my brother. You not have no reason, none at all, to come back, boy. You hear that?
So that.
One more thing, my general. We need to know who my link with one already.
Don't worry about that, man. We will deal with that.
No, that. This person.
Well, alright then. Here upon the short says a boy named Dark Face, you know. So, you want your candle, them can angle that.
Alright. Respect again, your general.
As I respect, remember, I know, tell that boy don't come around here.
Everything go.
Good.
Yes, Carly. I'll deal with it tomorrow. First thing. Yes, Carly. Yes. No is not a good time. Alright, tomorrow. First thing. Yeah, man. Alright, cool. See you. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
It's best you go to the office.
Michelle,
No.
I'm sorry.
I am done listening to you, Marcus.
I finally get it now. We don't have a social life. Only your political career and little Miss Moffat at the office.
What? Who? You're referring to Carleen? You think I am fooling around with Carleen?
Don't insult my intelligence. She might as well scream it from the mountaintop. That is how obvious it is.
So, this is what I'd be staying home for, Michelle.
Staying home? This is not your home. You only sleep here. Only your office and your secretary sees you more than I do. You know, you only have time for your office and all of that, but not your family. We come last, right?
You know that is a very unfair statement though, Michelle.
Unfair? It is the truth. Might be an offense, but it's not a sin.
Everything I do is for you and Tiffany.
Oh, shut up, you hypocrite.
Hypocrite?
Since we're here, let's talk facts. You never wanted Tiffany. 18 years ago, you said she didn't fit in your political plans. That she would be a distraction. Listen to me. She's my daughter, not yours.
Hello. What she do down there? So who tell her Sam can get visits? Look here, just keep her away from him. So he'll not see the nurse. I don't want no outside interaction. If him dead, we just bury him.
Out of curiosity, what's going on with your brother?
Him in a prison for fraud. Me cannot get a hearing for him. There's a backlog in the system. Why are you asking the obvious question, Michelle?
Why are you being so defensive? You know he is a very dangerous man, Marcus. You would do anything for political power. And that is why I'm happy that Tiffany is not around you.
You know you're not going to make me feel guilty for my political decisions, Em. I love Tiffany just as much as you do. And she's my daughter. Never forget that.
Your daughter. Love? You. You used me and my daughter to funnel money throughout your corruption. Right? Your political corruption. You dragged us into it. And now you're talking about love? Oh, please. Your entire political career is shady. And that is why I don't make public appearances with you.
And you call me a hypocrite? You never complained before. All of a sudden that things are getting dark, you start to highlight my flaws and faults. Well, my dear, this is the price you pay for your bougie lifestyle. There is a cost attached to it, and sometimes we have to cut a few corners.
That's your defense? That's your defense for being a corrupted politician? I didn't come into this union empty-handed. I spend your money, but I have my own. And if you think that I'm here for your money, I can just walk away.
Walk away? Walk away from who? Michelle, you are in this for the long haul. For better or worse, for richer or poorer, or until death do us part. You understand?
Yes.
No. I have 99 problems. Are you one?
No, Marcus.
Good.
ensure, no? You know, man.
See the tree?
I approach you guys today so that I can let you know exactly what my business does. It's Xpressionz Jamaica, and we provide offbeat tours for tourists that goes to basically places that is off the grid. Not the regular Duns River that has all the security features and all of these things. We're going through hikes, we're going through hidden gems. So we're discovering places that not a lot of people get to explore in Jamaica. So we explore Jamaica. Now, with this service, we have also Xpressionz, which is the transport arm of my business, that expedite the tours. So that segment of the business, which is Xpressionz, picks you up from the airport, takes you to the hotel. It does everything ground transportation for you. Deal with the day-to-day movement, take you to all these gems, and then Xpressionz provides the tour guides that takes you inside these mountainous areas and these tropical rainforests to discover these gems. So you both know, tell me exactly what you can do for me and my company, because we need some level of security in these places. You understand?
Mr. Brown wants us to provide security for the tourist, but I want you to explain how it works out from our end.
Alright, no worries. First, let me just say thank you for reaching out again to On Guard Security. Firstly, we have a little housekeeping to do.
Okay.
So, this is a non-disclosure form that requires your signature. It is stating that you cannot say anything outside of this meeting.
Sure, no problem.
Perfect. So, my idea for your type of business is what we call a sleeper security.
Right.
One that poses as a tourist, so no one would know that you have a security on board.
This is the main service we offer. That is why we just don't approach businesses who just only want a uniform security.
Uniform securities give the criminal elements time to plan and plot how to attack a business.
And then get brazen now, you see? So you guys don't offer uniform security at all?
Not without a sleeper.
So, it is a security securing the security, so to speak.
I totally understand that one.
Yeah.
Totally understand.
Remember the story?
Turns out he didn't have a gun. According to the police reports, he pretended he did with a piece of hose he was holding. So what about the sounds of gunshots? Well, they came from his mouth.
Remember this, you know? Yeah, man, remember this.
Yup. Sleeper securing the security.
That's why we ask you to sign the non-disclosure to protect us and our business.
And you know the funniest thing about all of this is that no one would know. No one would absolutely know. I totally understand.
You know, the most important thing in that video is that the sleeper diffused the situation without any confrontation at all.
He's still seen as the community madman.
Our sleepers can be the madman, the taximan, the chef, the fruitsman, or even posing as the actual businessman.
And the first rule is to defuse without being detected.
Well, guys, I am totally sold on this idea. This is genius. This is a security situation that I can be totally comfortable with. Seal the deal.
Right.
Thank you very much, guys, for inviting me.
Thank you.
I'm totally sold on this idea.
With you,
right?
And I'll be working for you.
So you're not sold.
Can't believe this.
Yeah, man, how you doing? I'm good, I'm good. Why do like I forgot to take you up on that lunch date, man? Alright, that sounds good. Alright, perfect. I'll see you.
God, this is a mess. Carlene, give me a pen off for your desk now. This is a mess. Thank you, sweetheart. Here it is. Thank you. You finished already?
That's what I do. Of course I had fun. I'll do it all over again. Really? Alright, we can do it on my day off next week. I'm at work now. The boss just asked me to come in and have some stuff for him. Really? Alright, anyway, I'm about to leave, so I can meet you there. Alright. Later. Yeah. Oh, sir? I'm leaving now.
So like you have a hot date.
As a matter of fact, I do. Have a wonderful weekend, Minister Wallace.
Carly, give me a minute, please.
No, Marcus. No more of this.
So you're saying this is it? Never again?
That's exactly what I'm saying. Go home to Michelle.
Yo, what go on? Yo, it just run by my mind about 9.58 a while ago, you know.
That's how I feel, so. Me run pay your mind.
You know, easy though.
So what going, you good?
Just come off the road and go hold a shower, you see it?
Me too. Come from work, me just go straight into the bathroom. So the day at like fire.
Me fi tell you, me I go already use the hell by the time me reach down there to blouse and skirt.
Don't say that. Never ever say that again.
A joke me I make, you know?
No run them joke there.
Alright, man.
So when you plan for open back the shop?
So, who tell us I'm plan for open at the shop?
Me I tell you say you go open back the shop.
So how badness it come down to?
But seriously, it pain my aunt, man. For me come down there and see the shop lock up. I miss the shop.
So, the shop alone you miss?
What else me for miss?
Really, who else?
Who else me for miss?
So what about the owner?
I miss him too, yeah? Yes. Hold on, my boss will call me. Call you back later.
Alright. Cool. Your boss left. Oh. Genocide, what going? Container? Why not? Wait then. No security? Alright, what a style. Can't two broadcasters on them together, but you come here. One code.
Hello, good night. Yes, this is Angela Brissett from On Guard. You know that this is way past working time though. Yes, okay, I'm listening. A container. Alright, tell you what. Call me in the morning at about 8:30. That's when I do business. Alright, and I'll take all the information in. Yeah. Okay. Have a good night.